hungry, Mocha. Hey, bunnies. Good morning, babies. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on, Mocha. Hey guys, welcome back to Runneth Over Garden and Life. My name is Nina. We would like to welcome you all to our channel. We are so thrilled and so happy to have you guys here with us today. Today is deep cleaning day for me. Both of my adult children are out of the house. Husband's at work. So that's why I'm probably like glistening with a little perspiration. But I'm starting in the kitchen. I like to set myself little goals and start off with one room at a time. That way I won't overwhelm myself, because I am one of those people that start in one place and then I go into the next room because I need something, and then I'm like, ooh, a pretty butterfly, and then I'll just start cleaning up in that other area, and yeah, I turn into a hot mess, and the whole entire house turns into even a bigger hot mess. So today we're starting in the kitchen. But first, I would like to show you guys a project that my husband, my very sweet, wonderful husband voice, has completed, and I am so happy with it. He used some reclaimed wood that was given to him from his job, and some other wood that we had to purchase. But yeah, I'm so very proud of him, because he says that he's not a carpenter by any means, but let me tell you, this guy is he brings my visions of certain things, bring it back to life. So let me turn you around and let me show you. All right, so I wanted a kind of like a kitchen island type of thing, and he succeeded. It has drawers here, so I could put in some of our seasonings and some of our canned stuff that we like. I don't like to keep it in the box, like this tea. I don't like to keep it in the box, so I just put it inside a mason jar. Some of my cinnamon sticks, and our coconut oil. But look at that, and it slides in and out the bottom same way. See? So yeah, I am so happy with it. He stained it, and I wanted it so that way whenever I do videos, I can be able to, like in the kitchen, I can be able to bring them to you on this instead of on my countertop, because my countertop is hideous. So good job, honey, and thank you. All right, so today's project is going to be how to get this off. Since we moved, I have not really done a deep cleaning on this, and my husband and my son, when we were moving, put tape right here to make sure that the refrigerator door doesn't open and stuff. So I need to get some Goo-Gone, but I'm not willing to pay for Goo-Gone. So I looked up online to see if there's any way that I can naturally get rid of this stickiness that is on the door. You can hear it. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to make an all-natural DIY Goo-Gone. Okay guys, so for our project today, we're going to need some baking soda. And we're also going to need some coconut oil. You're going to need a small container. I got this from Walmart. Maybe about $2. Okay, so you're going to want to do equal parts. So here I've got maybe about 1/4 cup of baking soda. And here I have 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Just put together and just incorporate it. Now, I'm taking that the baking soda will be a little harsh on the stainless steel. Well, maybe not, just depending on how hard I rub. So that's pretty much really good and incorporated right there. Okay, and into my container, I'm gonna pour just for later on future uses. And it didn't even fill it up. It probably only filled it up maybe about halfway. But that's cool because, I mean, how often do you need Goo-Gone? Or maybe I shouldn't even say Goo-Gone because I am not sponsored by Goo-Gone. So maybe I should say sticky label remover. Alrighty. By the way, guys, just in case y'all don't know, y'all don't want to put down any kind of coconut oil down your sink because it'll solidify and it'll like clog up your sink. So be very careful with that. I usually run some hot to warm water into my containers, and then I swish it around and put it out in the yard. I'll throw it out in the yard. All right, so it's all done. It's just a two-part ingredient little project, and now all we got to do is see if it works. All right, so here is our problem, and here is our little concoction that we just made, and I'm going to go ahead and use a napkin and just kind of get some in there. Be very careful that you do not drop some of this stuff on your floor because you will be slipping and sliding on the floor, believe me. I nearly did the split and I thought I was gonna crack something or tear something. And we want to just put on a good liberal amount. And I have a few more areas that I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on. Alrighty, so with a clean napkin, we're going to go ahead and scrub. It's slowly coming off. I mean, it might not be as good as the stuff from that you buy at the store, but it is doing the trick. And not only that, it's all natural. So, I mean, it's good. You know, you don't have these extra chemicals coming into your home. You breathing them, you putting them into your body or putting them into your skin, because your skin absorbs everything that you put onto it. So that's good. Okay, I'm going to go in with a second coat. But this time, I think I'm going to leave it on for a few minutes and then wipe it down. Just to let it kind of absorb. This is round 2. Look at that, it's starting to come off a little bit, a little better. That's cool. Maybe the trick is to leave it on a little longer so that way it'll be able to absorb all the stickiness. And it already smells really great too. Look, it's getting better. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put on another coat, let it sit down, let it set for a little while, and hopefully, cross our fingers, this will be the last of the goopy stickiness that we have going on our refrigerator. Okay, so I let it sit there for maybe about 5 minutes or so, and got a clean little napkin, and we're going to go in and start cleaning this. So hopefully third time's charm. I'm praying that it'll just come right off because, yeah, I mean, like I said, we moved in November, and it's just been sitting like that with the goopiness since November, so that's probably why the adhesive is, so if I would have took care of it right away, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't have been this difficult to get it off, but, you know, you get neglectful, and yeah, so let's give it a try. Alrighty. So for the most part, most of it got taken off right here. I had put on a sticky note, but it looks like I might have to just go in there with my nail and handle that and just peel it right off. But yep, I think it works. I think it's a win. So guys, this is where I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming along with me trying to get this nastiness off my refrigerator. If you guys have any other way of taking off really stubborn adhesive naturally, leave it down in the comments below. If y'all have any other cleaning ways of cleaning naturally, leave it down in the comments below. I would like to do that. I would like to feature one of y'all's cleaning methods on my channel. I think that would be really fun, and we can all learn something from it, trial and error type of thing. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish y'all guys many, many blessings, and I hope you all are well. Until next time, guys. Bye.